Welcome to my basement. So what we're going to do for Algebra 1 this week is we're going to start with a new topic. It's called properties of exponents, okay? So basically stuff to do with powers. We're just going to learn one rule today, and it's the product rule. This is the product rule. This dot stands for multiplying. And basically if you have the same base, so that we have the same letter here, x and x, and you're multiplying them, all you do with the powers is you add them together. Here's a quick example. x5 times x2, well, it's x5 plus 2, which is x7. I'm just going to do 3 examples from your worksheet, 1, 2, and 6, and you just do the rest of those 10 examples, okay? It'll be worth a small amount of points, and that will be enough for the week. Let's start slow and kind of easy. Now, when I go to do this problem, I'm just going with these 2 steps every time. Multiply any front numbers, so that's the big ones here, and add the powers that go with each letter. So let's do question 1. I multiply the front numbers. 2 times 2 is 4, and m2 times m3 is m5, because 2 plus 3 is 5. And it's really as quick as that for a question like this. Question 2, as you can see, it's a bit different. There's no number in front of here, so all I do is I just take that 2 and I'm going to keep it. And now I do the powers. m4 times m negative 3. So this is kind of like 4 plus negative 3, which is positive 1. Or you can just see it as 4 take away 3, which is m1. Now, it's up to you if you leave that 1 there or not. I'm going to take mine away, but it really doesn't matter, because n to the power of 1 is just m. And then finally, I've got number 6 from your worksheet. This is probably the most challenging thing you'll do this week, in terms of math at least. And we've got 2 letters here, and we've got numbers in front and a couple negatives as well. Still, we're just following these 2 steps. Step 1, multiply the front numbers. So I'm going to do 2 times 2. And now multiply the x's together. So x3 times x negative 1. Well, 3 take away 1 is positive 2. And then finally, y negative 3 times y positive 3. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So my answer is essentially y, 0. Now, that's perfectly correct as an answer, but if you want to take it the extra step and simplify, you should. My answer is going to be 4x squared. That's because y to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So it's basically just disappears in this case, because 4 times 1 is still 4. Stays the same. I've been told we're doing attendance words, at least to start off. So your attendance word for today, I'm still here, is going to be Squirtle. Alright, it's okay if you misspell that a little bit. Squirtle, like the Pokemon. That'll do for today. If you have any questions, you can email me. I'll try and set up a little meeting this week where you can check in and just see how it works or ask me any questions. But I think that will do. Just complete that worksheet for the week, get it to me. It'll be worth about 10 marks or so. And we'll be well on our way to being good at online learning.